this again. I should have dumped my garbage. I'm outside. Ooh, look at the snow. Ooh wee. You coming back? Yeah. All right. Okay, ain't bad out here right now. Okay. Need some bacon. Give me some bacon. See, if everybody would shovel, it won't be all that bad. Yep. Just a little bit of snow. But now, ooh, put my hood on. To go outside every day. Even the rain. So what's a little bit of snow? Phew. It's snowing now. Look, we see the snow coming. See how it coming down? Not bad. I got my boot. These toe boots I had for years. And honey, what I like about them, I had these things like more than about 15, 20 years. And they I only wear them in the winter. Prevent you from slipping. Now that's the main thing for me, is slipping. Cause my behind's too old to fall. So, that is that. I don't think the mailman coming. Remember back in the days, rain, sleet, or snow, your mailman come. That played out, honey. They ain't coming no damn going way. Look at that. Bring all this snow in my house. Okay. Not bad, got my bacon, I know that much. I want me some bacon and pancakes. I'm a late eater, y'all. I had brunch. I start with brunch. Mostly all the time. Well, they gonna mop this floor? They don't need to mop. It's wet. So anyway, that is that. Met